Guys, in this quick video I'm about to show you how you can link your WhatsApp to another phone. So basically you are using one WhatsApp to two phones. So I have logged in my WhatsApp on this Android phone. So now here is my another phone which is not logged in, so you can see that. So it's saying welcome to WhatsApp, so just agree and continue. And now from here you need to do is tap on this three dot icon and then tap on link as companion device, and it's to show you the login to WhatsApp. Now go to the logged in WhatsApp device and tap on this three dot icon and simply tap on link devices, then simply tap on this green button which is saying link device. And now this is going to ask you the pin, and you will need to scan this code. So I'm just going to scan this code, and you can see that this is now logging in and keep WhatsApp open on both devices. Well, so this is how you should log in your one account to multiple devices, just like this. Well, now that you guys can see that we have logged into both devices, but still you have the control to this iOS device or whatever device that you guys are using as a secondary one, you can still log this out from here. You can see that, and there we go. So this is how you can link or unlink the device at the same time. So thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.